Welcome to Dental Shots. This is part 4 of Cementum series regarding the thickness of cementum. The thickness of cementum in the coronal third is 20 to 50 micrometer, that is equivalent to the thickness of the hair. And in the apical and the furcation area, the thickness of the cementum is 150 to 200 micrometer. When you see the distal surface of the root compared to the mesial surface of the root, the thickness of the cementum would be higher in the distal end due to the functional stimulation, due to the mesial drift, and also due to the migration. Let's now see the clinical significance of thickness of cementum. The cervical cementum has less thickness as well as it is relatively soft. So, when the cervical cementum is exposed to the oral environment due to the gingival recession, they are more prone for the cervical abrasion. Hope you like the part 4 and do not forget to see the part 5 series of cementum, which concentrates on the physical characteristics and composition of cementum.